Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yami and this is my little corner of the internet. I just want to say hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking that video, and if you're returning, thank you so much for joining me once again and being so graceful with me as I get my my butt back in gear after everything that's been going on. You guys have just been so supportive and I am doing my very best to come onto YouTube full time. It's taking a lot of like willpower and strength, and I mean, anyway, I'm doing it and I hope you're enjoying it. With that said, today, what is today? Today is, oh, I know what today is. Today's Thursday, September 30th. It's my dad's birthday actually. And so I have a lot that I need to do. However, I just feel like, I don't know about you, but when my space is cluttered, my mind is cluttered. And if you watch my previous videos where I said I have to like find my joy back and I have to like, you know, make myself happy again and all that good stuff, I feel like I can't do that without doing this. And I'm gonna put a pause on like my work to do and focus on my house to do, because you know there are some rooms that have boxes. My office, while you know it's not decorated by any means, I just like throw things in there and it just becomes a disaster, and that's where I work. And so when my space is cluttered, like I said, I feel like my mind is cluttered and I feel like I don't get any work done, or I can't think about my work and give it the attention it deserves, because my mind is in the thought of like, I really need to clean this room and organize this room. So I am calling an audible. I am making an executive decision. I have a call at 1:20 and then that's it. So I'm going to do that. I think I'm gonna do some emails before that call. It's like in an hour, not even. And I'm gonna do some emails, answer some Instagram questions that have been like also pending, and then from there I'm gonna take the rest of, sorry, my dogs are playing. From there I'm gonna take the rest of the day to organize and clean parts of the house. Highly doubt the whole house is gonna get organized and cleaned, but I'm going to, and also I'm not cleaning, I'm organizing, putting things where they need to be, putting stuff in a place where they need to be, like all that stuff. I mean, I guess you'll see when I take it through the day. So let's get some work done and then I'll come back and I'll tell you what I'm gonna tackle first. Okay, so this is what I mean that my mind is cluttered and I can't focus. I thought my meeting was at 1:15 my time, but it's 1:15 California time. So I'm over here waiting and I'm like, oh, love that for me. So anyway, it's 1:30 my time now, and I haven't had anything to eat all day. Well, actually I had a protein shake, but that's it. So before I start working away, I'm gonna make myself some lunch. We have some leftover rice from dinner last night, so I might just make, honestly, very easy rice and eggs. So good. I'm gonna fry up the rice a little bit. I like it crunchy. And then I'll just do 2 over easy eggs on top, and maybe add some cheese, maybe not, avocado, who knows. But I'm gonna do that and then we're really gonna get to work. I'm thinking I'm gonna start with the bedroom, and then the bathroom, and then the office, and then the extra rooms, because you'll see what I mean when we get into those rooms. Okay fam, I just ate, and now we're going to walk into this bedroom so I can show you what needs to be done. So, okay. It's not horrible, but there are just some things that don't belong in here. Like these towels, everything on here, that suitcase, that's empty by the way. These boxes right here, I'm gonna clean that up. And then I might tackle, I mean, I just have stuff on my countertop that doesn't need to be on there, because I literally took an entire day to organize all of this. So everything should have a place. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Insert time lapse here. All right, well, bedroom and bathroom are done. And that took me a good, I don't know, 10 minutes. So what I'm trying to do is, you know, well, I mean, moving forward, obviously, because doing this makes me realize that everything that I have been wanting to do doesn't really take that much time. It's just when I keep letting things accumulate that's when it would take a longer amount of time. So when I am able to do something, or when I need to do something that's gonna take me like a minute, 5 minutes, even 10 minutes top, I'm gonna try to get it out of the way right away so that it doesn't continue to accumulate and then continue to accumulate in my head as well, you know, because that's when the stress starts and all that. So, all right, let's keep going. Also, my cheeks are red. I don't know why. All right, let's keep going. Okay, so I thought I was done with this portion of the house, but then I came in here for a second and I was like, no, let's take care of this right now because it's really, really bothering me. So we have a very small laundry room. I mean, actually it's a pretty decent laundry room compared to the ones that I've always had. I've always had like just a closet. But we got this laundry room. It didn't come with any of this. We put in this shelf right here. And the plan is to add a cabinet either on this side, you can't really see it, or on this side, just to have storage in here because right now it's a disaster. Like there's stuff up there, like it's just not organized at all. And so we wanna try to do that. We know what we wanna get. It was just not in stock at IKEA. So this is just storage stuff, vacuum that we need to hang up somewhere, laundry that needs to be folded, a random plant that needs to be thrown away. So I'm just gonna do that now. Okay, now we are in one of the disaster rooms. I'm going to overlay here a footage of everything that's in here, but I have so much in here. I got my yoga mat from today's live. I have a TV that my mom brought. I have the next collection sitting right there that I have to count inventory for and start planning the campaign and all that stuff. My desk is an absolute disaster. I've got fabric samples, I've got lights, I've got boxes, I've got luggage, I've got so much stuff, and it's time to clean it. I will say though, isn't it true that like once you start something, you actually want to keep doing it? Like I want to vacuum and I want to mop right now. That was not the intention. I just wanted to organize things, but now I just want to I want to clean the entire house. So I have decided that if I, you know, finish organizing and just putting things where they need to be, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum and mop. But that's like a far off wish because I have a lot to do here and a lot to do in the next two rooms, which I'll show you. So let's get started with this room. So I just got off my call with Tone It Up and it went a little bit longer than I thought. So now it's 4:06 and I just saw that I've hit 10,000 steps today. Woo-woo! I'm pretty much done with this room. All I wanted to do was organize it. I didn't have too much. It was just like the clutter that was driving me crazy. I do have to count the inventory that's right here. I'm trying to decide if I want to do that now or if I want to do that after I tackle the next room. I think I want to tackle the next room. So the next room is, well, let's just go to it. Okay, so we're in the front room of the house that has actually the best light. And I shot one video here, but right now it's full of boxes. This is where I store my bikinis for my swim line, just because they don't come packaged in plastic. It's just sitting in here because I don't want it to get dirty in the garage and stuff like that. So when we cleaned up the garage, there was some stuff from the move that I wanted to bring inside and I just haven't gotten around to it. So that's what we're gonna do. I honestly think this is gonna be the most difficult to organize just because nothing has a spot yet, and that's what I'm gonna be figuring out today. So wish me luck. we're making progress. I have gone through like 3 or 4 boxes. These are empty, and I'm just going through and separating where things need to go. I have this left. Oh, sorry, this left to go through. So yeah, I'm just gonna get right back to it. Just wanted to give you a quick little update because my time lapse, I realized I can't time lapse all of this because it's gonna be too long, you know? So that's it. Okay, but also, is anybody else the worst when it comes to gift cards? Because I just found this gift card from like maybe 3 years ago, and I looked up the gift card number, and your girl has like 70 bucks on here. So looks like mama is gonna go shopping for some sneakers. Okay, I truly can't believe that I just did that. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like right now. So I put this here for now, some packaging stuff, the phone charms, this right here. This is obviously not where it's gonna stay, but everything's cleaned out. All of this is gonna go into my office, but Taz is literally around the corner. So I'll probably finish that either later tonight or tomorrow. But everything that has to be thrown out is thrown out. This just has to be organized in the office. So since I'm actually gonna redo my office, I'm not sure if I wanna keep it here or keep it there. Still thinking about that, but I already feel so much better. And to think, this only took a couple hours. I'm super shocked. But I'm gonna close off the vlog, or not the vlog, I'm gonna stop vlogging today because I'm gonna finish my closet. I wanna say tomorrow or Saturday, and then also this. So I'm done vlogging for today. I feel amazing. I feel less cluttered. I feel accomplished. I feel like I can now enjoy my night because like there's less clutter. And now I think I'm just going to shut down anything electronic, phone, laptop, computer, camera. I think I already said that. But, and just hang out with Taz. He's on his way home and he should be here like in 3 seconds, to be honest. So I'm gonna stop vlogging for the night and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Hello, today's Saturday. I think it's like 2 days since I was vlogging the organization thing, whole thing that I did. And it is currently 4:59 and I have been sitting in front of my computer all day working on something exciting, which I'll let you guys know soon, but I don't want anybody to like creep, you know? But anywho, I figured since Taz is at work, I'm gonna try to tackle the closet now. Kona is playing with a bone, so that's what you hear. But I'm gonna try to tackle the closet, and I also wanna organize my jewelry because I bought these jewelry holders on Amazon for like rings and necklaces, and they've just been sitting in my drawer, so I want to see if I can organize them. All my jewelry is literally all over the place right now, and I want to have one designated spot for it, so that's what we're gonna do. So I'm gonna start with the closet, just organize it, take out things I don't really wear anymore. I don't think I'm gonna try stuff on just because I don't feel like it, but yeah, let's go organize. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm actually very proud of myself. So, like I said, I didn't like go through clothes. I just kind of organized. I put this shoe rack here for like my cool sneakers, like my not workout sneakers. And then I have my workout sneakers there. Got my sandals there. I moved my pants and jeans over a little bit to make space for that. I have my sweaters there. Shorts here. Sports bras here. I know it's kind of funny that I'm hanging up my sports bras, but if I don't see them, I won't wear them. And I really, really like having this here. If I could, I'd hang up my leggings too, but I just don't have room. Then I have like crop tops, tanks, and then I have like going out stuff. So this is all workout stuff. I've got like, it's like in order of least revealing to most covered. So I've got like tanks, crops, bodysuits, spaghetti straps, crop tops, etc., etc. And then over here I've got dresses, coats, blazers, and skirts. So I tried my best to color coordinate it. This, not so much. I like to have it in like what type of piece it is. So like how I mentioned earlier, like a crop top, an oversized t-shirt, like all that stuff. And then over here, I put my bigger bags, and then over here I put my clutches, or like my everyday bags. And then I finally have this back to where it was, which is just like my shoes. I have my flats, and then I have my heels all over here. And then this, actually, I just bought a pair of shoes, so that's gonna go right there. And then, as you saw, like I vacuumed, and this is what I'm getting rid of. This is my jewelry. Gonna go organize that right now. Okay, I'm done. This is what it looks like. I have my necklaces right here, some earrings, watches, bracelets, and longer necklaces, or chunkier necklaces, I should say, and these are my rings. And then I have my like daily rings here. Let me bring this back to the bathroom. And then in the bathroom, I have like my everyday jewelry, and then my wedding band and engagement ring in there. And so I'll just have to come here for my jewelry, and I'm gonna just place it in here. I think I'm gonna do this on the bottom because I don't ever really wear this. How did I do this? Like this. And then let's do, excuse me. Let's do this on the bottom, like that. It fit. What the heck? Hold on. Okay, it's not even that tight. It was just a little bit of the necklace. And then we'll do this one right here. Or, no, I'll do this one right here. And then this one right here. Perfect. And here you go. And so I use these the most, so that won't be like annoying. I will say though, I'm really excited because actually, yeah. I'm really excited because this is, I was just telling Taz, this is the first time that I've had my jewelry organized since like, I don't know, like 10 years or maybe ever. Because when I moved out of my house, I moved to New York and I never had like the space for it. And then the apartment, same thing. And so now I'm just really excited to just be super organized, and I'm just loving it. And that is gonna conclude this video of me organizing all of my rooms in the house. I will say though that my office is already a mess because I was counting inventory and I got a delivery today. And so stuff is just all over the place. But I'm excited to have like all the things that I've been putting off done, and so then now I can just like literally remove that from my head. Now the job is to keep it this way. So I'm gonna try my very best. I have been much better at like keeping things organized, like in my bathroom and the pantry and everything, so I think I'm doing pretty good. Anywho, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know below, and if you want to see anything like this in the future. But for me, I'm gonna stop vlogging, go make dinner with Taz, and enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.